One bank, different amazing packages. Whether you are interested in savings account, current account, time or fixed deposit account, lending or overdraft, our team of dedicated staff is always ready and happy to help you out with your transactions as you wish. Corporate banking. Trust Bank offers the most convenient services for deposit accounts, credit facilities, trade finance, bond and guarantee, and foreign currency account. With e-banking, you can make electronic bill payments and online banking and enjoy 24-hour access to your money without ATM. With the largest network of branches and agents, we give you the convenience to receive funds as you please. We are Trust Bank because we take pride in satisfying every customer's financial needs.
Introducing the future of hassle-free and seamless financial transaction. The Una Wallet app, empowering you to effortlessly manage your money anytime, anywhere. With the Una Wallet app, you can now enjoy branchless banking, wallet-to-wallet transfer, wallet-to-cash, and bank cross-border payments, deposit at a bank, and withdraw from any Una branch. Get ready to experience the ultimate banking convenience with the Una Wallet app. With just few taps on your phone, you can effortlessly add funds, withdraw, and send money to your loved ones. The Una Wallet app also provides a detailed history of your transaction, making it easier to track your expenses. So, what are you waiting for? Download the Una Wallet app today on Play Store or App Store and say goodbye to hassle of traditional banking. Una Forex Bureau Limited, delivering much more than money.
Jah Oil ñoom ñoo jiitu si wàllum jaay essence si biir réew mi te ñu def ko warugal pour kontaan loo suñu client yi borom moto yi ak driver yi seen jaaxare jeex na léegi pour am essence bu baax ak njëg bu yomba lii sax moo tax ñu amal leen banxaas fépp si biir réew mi pour essence bu baax bu set benn place rek la muy Jah Oil soo soxlae essence bu set essence bu baax gasoil wala kérosine naa la wax ne Jah Oil rek mooy jëmukaay ga doxantul rek si bépp banxaasi Jah Oil nga am si bànneex ak Jah Oil seen bànneex mooy suñ taxawaay moo tax ñu amoon leen banxaas bépp si biir réew mi nim gën a yombee pour yow ak suñ liggéeykat yu xarañ yi naa la won ne mbégte rek nga see jël pour am essence bu baax pour say machine fenn place rek la mooy sa Jah Oil ak Jah Oil bànneex kese la moo tax sax suñ station si nekk ca Costa Road ak Banjul wàññil nañ leen njëgi essence bi foofu noonu pour am si lu leer mun ngaa call si 770-8080 322-9070 714-7273 wala 787-1321 Jah Oil, the pride of the nation.
Looking for the perfect home away from home in the Gambia? Welcome to BC's Residence, your ideal short-stay apartment in the heart of Bundung. Whether you're visiting for business, pleasure, or an extended stay, BC's Residence offers you the comfort, convenience, and privacy you deserve. Enjoy spacious, well-appointed accommodations in a peaceful neighborhood just behind Nusrat High School. Our residence combines modern amenities with authentic Gambian hospitality, ensuring your stay is both comfortable and memorable. At BC's Residence, you are not just booking a room, you're finding your perfect base to explore all that the Gambia has to offer. Ready to book your stay? Contact us today. +220 941414 bcsresidence@gmail.com. BC's residence, Bundum, behind Nusrat High School. Your comfort is our priority.
To this special interview mbadi on ngal bismillah kirfatu bi nga special interview so alnal yon noma kan aliya jela ko nga candidate will start like a host obviously aliya jela ko ning team Musa Jame team Kaba ni wolu ngama team Falcons obviously ni wolu ka chasoto. We also extended an invitation to Sadibu Unala Timo. Today we are hosting, I think this is going to be our last show. We are hosting the coach, Kemo. Kemo is my brother from West Coast region. So I'm conflicted, right? I'm conflicted. I have two brothers in this race, but Kemo is one of those special brothers to me who I have known for over decades.
Gamtel.
I've known him from Gamtel when he was at GFF, covering Jamibo Jambije. Those days up to be. I never imagined Kemo running for president for GFF. So that's why in this race, I tried not to get involved because I have brothers in the race. But it's definitely an honor to host you, Kemo, Ekaye, the coach. Maybe similar on this special interview.
Yeah, thank you very much, Fatou. Ndebe kontono komenda musolo mwiti.
Yes.
To sister.
Yes.
Amanjere ngofo jang abekete nyame.
Tonyala.
But ite allen kamemfo.
Tonyala.
Ya fo nyame wolom tonya dina nyolo manke biti.
Yeah.
Brebe Gamtel. Very active staff at your marketing.
Yes.
Nalo jumalam Fatou redi. Obadia bentema, nyolo bentema.
Yeah.
And ngalo na ning candidate dol fana be nyen res kono eni be nyame.
Hade.
O kamala mbe tentula mbe jela pour kan invite kana bi ngana kacha.
Yeah.
Gambia football la
Cool.
programme wala men kata August 29 campaign on.
Yeah.
Na election men kana 29 August. Bari ngala ko lati bulu.
Yes.
Bari bi etele tamunti ando lefte yaynde de Gambia non lako ndele mol nyaata nyan mun delati.
Hade.
Pour kay mara football wala banko kan
Yeah.
sanye men kana.
Definitely. And the role models, and I tell people, when a lot of people were telling me, Jumali la candidate in this election, I said, you know, the Gambia first, because Gambian sports, sports is the only thing minka Gambia be unify,
Exactly.
especially football. Atelang kukino ti Gambia no be ka d'accord minna. So I think wala nyatota wanya da be la Gambia no be la interest leti. Wala tina be kumala baake pour Gambia no le ajube. For the next 4 years, Jumala be na football leader in this country. That is why it is important to profile all candidates.
Yeah.
And then Gambian will profile Jube long. So Walatin, I had to even take this out of my normal schedules. Last election, but this time I said, you know what? I think it's important to do it. But follow. I have known you, Kabibe Gamtel, and then to GFF. First, let's look at ila profile. Kemo muntu maladunda football okoro.
Okay, Fara baraka bago kumayata kalom because ning atrende ko lefta kamara Gambia football la.
Yeah.
Nyenta nyeten la mola jumala Kemo siseti football kon.
Yes.
Ba ma fu mbita nyoboro la o mbita basketball la ban ko lefta kamara football la. Sa inteni football nyosoto nyame.
Tonya.
Mol nyento wolonal. Wuluta sando misira la folo URR. Sa dendi ka fu dame misira barabe sando district la ko. Ngana dindiya ke bansang.
Yeah.
Wala na nitara bansang bi bafle Kemo wuluta bansang.
Yeah.
Because birimbe dindiya la bansang mam famuta ngam fon di molle la molta ketanti anu nara dum football kono birindi ni ma bansam
yeah
nda nga football ke bansam primary school wata be primary school je nara ta amide high school
yeah
amide nga football ke je baden birenga do ko nara sound bakaw
yeah
nata dum nebetan timol kono je juniors after ndara seniors sound men nyenta play la Stevie ko football club be nga pre-season start 1993 nara kumbalin promotion nani promotion baramata kumbalin boda hansain abenna nimborta wato o be football still aka bole
okay
so nata je ko nyamu feneti menan ko ateng alano la kotake nga football ke baran ko baw sa be football kono ne ma keno as a player mbe mun keno la nata tan kita coach munon coach football kono wolendi menka dindin karande football be kila nyame
tonya
nata ke la dindin la alfati football kono nata ke moti menke karandi nata ke moti menke yamar silo bela football kono pour le sama tañato nga team fla soto baka wato ka fo me NPE obi konata ko sponsor no den bo ma dindon lati jino newitan sino newitan fana nga team soto je ka fo SK jete salf ke jete mo to la wala so ñin team flo le be bu baka newitan up to 1997 97 Bakau Sports Committee itara Congress enata ta Bakau be ilata na wato be dindiare ya carte o faynya pour nga ke Bakau la deputy treasurer mbo deputy treasurer yalla mo nata lanna because Bakau fitino sara wato football kon bar ala nata kemo mako mo le a horma ya bunya wallanno sa wasang e ka place o dinna ko teke fom buka tar jikri men katon tata fo ngeda Bakau wat sotota e camera Bakau ke mo le marta Bakau Sports Committee la alewo makamo dinano ninga memfo akolata nyawnya ngamul soto Bakau watu ke lamoy then the same 1997 Steve ko football club nyalon watu Gambia team bala mat Gambia nyim pari jamme watu baby ji Ablaye Boja wol membe ko jina sa under 20 Lamil Choks Jata Keba Boja wol lot of people Samir Katbol be play ton koto o biko natan tay carte o faynya kote ke wul fana e ko latana pour nga kele social secretary because watu football be nyame e ka supporter solo soto fan sol men ka bula timo noka bare Bakau pour ko ka fundi nyoma mo jama ma akeno so biko ko left fans club wol membe bambanna e na ranke social secretary nga mol ka funyo nga fans club bete balo na ranga ko do nyin timo e ka kata nga fundraising ken ni bon Africans Farokon house crew those days with lot of artists men be kiruni be darjari ntara fo nga Orlando soto on the FTI nga Youssou Ndour na Gambia jam with Lucky Dobi through the fans club ni Orlando FTI collaboration nga ku jamaki no Gambia football kon Stevie ko tara to a point no ngam fan sum bitiko fo ngale no Bakau o fans club ole o keno nga mol soto men ka wafiro ke wafiro ka men soto nga timu support no wala ntarta wol kono fobbi kon tara fu fotata tembeto executive member membe je be daha timo to tan damana bul akolata ko swaro be do ko la jefe nka salary men sota mansia bada na force bank ngana force salary account yele damen no Islamic bank wata kutama Banjul one branch le be bunno nkata je nin adeun dambul ngata 40,000 lonta ngata ngadi junkuntra mela salary jo wol manke bito metal bari dol men yellon e ka fako nyin kemo yamere nyin abe kendari e ka kudumuti badunda football kono me ko fenteje and yes watu ni lamoy ba fala ko tonyale ka même forma tonyalo ko ni tata mbota sate o mendo yenna korda jube e balla nyin kemo bota foara korda bala kono anuna ko mo foara ta baki bar mboko jube nga sika na dunde football kono watu fana muni okay because ko mo le jikitanna ya carte o fanyi ka place dina timo kono ni Stevie ko la carfo bembulu dindewul be play kanje men jiko bente kan nyentam fon la balla ngake woli wala tinna biko alay kaundina ni walidan nata watu na play ball no ka relde banjul nata pari jamen no kan o Asan Jata wol sifal nka ka fay ko ntitano nte biko bula no la ngata because of kemo la ko kan mo hormone bunya soto nga biko menti ke mutaw nyalma fo ale Stevie ko ke Stevie ko football club ti ngado ko commence GFA 2002 July 1st or resigned actioned the Gambia watu actioned be njokan $6,000 as accounts assistant in 2001 watu ndefe ko di balo woti
ko di balti wota
2001 bari Gabi Sose late Gabi Sose Alaji Gabi Sose nga campaign kaye because Birima Sose football club man soto anata Stevie Kol kake president obi konate be dahala nga tele soto kake president GFF bara bota bikole nga ke president ko katar ko do manim foye munatin na kemo bina as president
akumatan
nga Gabi Sose na fe Gabi nata je ko kemo itela life be ke Stevie Kol but by profession mu accountant nolti anu GFA be tembo mento wato isulata accountant nola ako nga actionate bula ne Modou Musa was the former MD FI Bank
FIB yes Modou Musa yes
so wato Modou Musa was the treasurer the first vice president under Gabi Modou Musa ko nyako kemo ninga bi kacar lafte da actionate yana jam nka nto kela ni natal ben jola la e ko $3,000 ko nga salary bula $6,000 nga na $3,000 salary ta for football nka no wato mo 5 lebe do ko la GFA Saliba Killing Jame Bojanam Bosti Victoria Roberts Dawda Baro Ndelata kan ani Ibu Seka akoleta baranko nontina bare Gabi ko nyako kemo ni account office nita mo laje même tekna ka kodota naita nsulata mo le même football kono ne do ko ke be mira pour ka football develop andu nga mo be jube Gambe football kono lateta la Gabi so se nyi fani ndara sita ngamira kula ko okay man choice to nina muso yakaja ko nyako nimmo latela ake birga na resignation tenda action de lumenna na country director membe je ka fa Silver Wochu ko king wato ngana AAT bank MDI na accounting qualification birgo complete ko nyako Silver ko nyako ite da hanu le jang ndel nyaabe tele kam pour official sama mbe kila Angleterre tele ACCA you continue actioning but malla fe jambule ta dula do nka no ngana decision tal already mbita bringu fananke modul ko ma understand boy mbo decision tal so living a salary of 6,000 with opportunities e ko kada jefe with a salary of 3,000 fatu ngota ngado ko start jefe mammen tarano account office ngola kire ndar nga system mo nyim bil ngado ko sifa men taraje account do ko manyana kel wanyama bar me bola actionnaire wato nga fenje mal karan accounting to so nata GFA la accounting system dara nga dala dara nga bill mo mamma koy professional software accounting mba installation o kala GFA QuickBook o kala 2004 wato West Africa jang banku jama bije e mboka e man accounting software soto mbe football federal association la ma for other companies but the football associations those days e man organize financial management la karola but GFA 2004 ni tata FIFA e ba fole ko to nyalo 2004 long ya start ka accounting ke in software so ngo kato beke 2007 ko de ke fatu nka nyita nga kolal men taki nganda nga lifota story live without salary nga karamo jo UK nko kara na MBA ken 2007 o fanan daral so daram futata kafun Monday nyenta na class start la Coventry University jame boja en kola ko FIFA e letter la kinan pour kana Gambia audit bar wato ndemem account no din tetata dawda baro men bijen na assistant no bel London nga communication ke ka ma ko prabi account so people nyam dawda tata ko nka kenola
fena
ko nyimbe situation men to jang ndanga mel lon dan dawdo kak ni manke talent ko lo minen ko soto tali dawda baro be alive jame bo jam bijan sidi kinte bijan be ko swatu situm president nko ndekata na studies la ndo bulano leje pour kamburu nang kana do ko ki jefe jame bo jam ko nyako kemo ni mamburu na namul makoy ni ñu audit failta e be Gambia suspend la 4 years nde FIFA la subvention soto
wow
wato FIFA kam mendi annually $250,000 pour Gambia la football ba mar la nyame nsita na bunkono nina deni dolbe bunkono London Abdourahmane Dabo ngayende dal mbe saylal ako nyibita munela ngay jefe nga litaro nyita dal from FIFA ngay FIFA Gambia Sierra Leone and other countries le select at random pour kata audit ke andum bi ne mamuru ita kenola ako je so ntel ba plan campurité la family ila muso na fe bay mu student oli isi student two student ve si la family na fe no ja ye bc karanke ngay ko o mun de la development net ani banko la problème o say let's compare the two Ninda gana muso na yes ndebe karanal. Bare Gambia be suspend la 4 years.
Yes.
Nde FIFA la support sotola.
Wow.
Sign kemo ni Gambia jumala important.
That was a tough decision.
Yes. But I pack my bag nka mbe silali. Fadu hani bi ni ngo call abgana call ta. Because he was very angry with me. Hajele ko ngana family la progress la stop. O man hamola soto. My friend in Manchester Musa Jame. Inyanta Musa lon.
Wala Musa, yes.
Na Musa fana ko nka boy ndeka sila akwenye mune keta. Bring a story faye. Musa kwenye ko nyamata. Ay na muso call, na muso kay ko. Das kemo. Ako decisional tabla ina. Akong pala. I came back. Nga audit nyinke fo ale ma ko audit nyi complete. But with the promise ko nga na audit bang. Sidi ni jame memfo, they'll give me scholarship. Go wato ndata self sponsor la.
Yeah.
This time ko they'll give me scholarship. Pour nga muru nga tana. Wato 1 year 6 months visa la bambol. MBA was 9-month program. Nyenta complete la. But amanke ngala mutan sita. Sonte nga feŋ bele bula pour football oy. Candidate dol men ni ba kono ni man killing. Wulat na bi on the 29th of August. Gambia be nyentalo na special the stakeholders ko football o men jerete kamara Bangkok. Me a fondi football la. Men jerete ka fond sacrifice mole and this country is game osise.
For 30 years, even into football, let's say technical administration, because you lead the AKF, GFF law from accounting up to the level of finance director. You have worked with, let's say, 3 or 4 administrations.
4 or 5 presidents.
More than that, you worked with Gabi Sose. You worked with
Sidi Kinte.
Sidi Kinte.
Mustafa Kebe.
Mustafa Kebe. You worked with Kaba Bajo. 4 presidents. You worked under 4 presidents. Niba folenye the status of government football be. Muna la status.
No, honestly, football be dam like nka fe nyame. When they do ko start 5 staffs lepiki.
Yeah.
Be we are almost about close to about 50 to 60 staffs. Asiatoti. Nya check about 72. So we are intending ko progress pale kita football. Okay. And development kita la mention bo warta. Gabia start nyaming when he was a visionary leader. Gabia Samaliji. I have football project like nyenda fudal dami. Sidi Kinte na rabula tole noga. Anala kato. Because ofana kita multi me anko yes. Sidi dati ndo nganyim plan ata kala fele ngaka ay result soto.
Yeah.
He's that type of leader. So momo yenyi president bejele beni fansung advantage lo. So ndongol be kare kotole.
Yeah.
Gabi natla mira sama. Mbinyi rekala pour sama football nafa. Sidi nata atawro. O planning gabe mela ngake ngaji Mustafa Kebe nata woni londi kuto na football ko karawon nyanta na la football kono nyanta londo so ya ham so pour ka football marano anin Senegal e ka fo me accountability and transparency ni be do ko la mo nyanta jeno ni site ya jube dron isi karado jeno it should be very transparent so Kebe o dundi football kono kabanata wo fananata bod level do to mam futa da mem futa to Katung Gambia from 1952, Gambia nemang ta African Cup of Nations.
Yeah.
With Kabala Kato, with his executive committee, William Futandi.
Yeah.
But we kononte kemo bodo kono.
Yeah.
During 2002 July, few fenkido of sokono or development ndaba kono. The football hotel, in Kadame for football hotel, Olindum, Gabiso Selalo as National Technical Training Center. Abelola ndabiji. Mbe officer men kono bi. GFF la headquarters Sidi Kinte lalo alan be sotola ala sketch plan we data femmam fonko ngobe kalamtal ni artificial to filul membe data membe jara soma kebe ni mironda ko region fil killing janabe bola president yala o filo be do ko la jara soma ngaka lamatal brikama to fo belala ngaka lamatal part of it all those projects membe be kika development da football ko mbete momento bi femmam kente tar ko na bele kalamata Muta funu lañi.
So how did that
kabaye men kata em futandi developmento momo koy football man develop amantra kuma fo kay
among football understand
amantra kuma fo kam because Gambia football moved from level 1 to another level.
Okay.
Yes, I can tell you that.
So you having experience to work with all these 4 presidents, how did that prepare you to be the next president of GFF? Yes, you have worked almost 30 years. Ningse experience for be even though you are not in the executive of the but as the technocrat behind the financing and everything, you understand, you have done this for almost 30 years,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
How did Niete prepare Nyadele to become the president today?
Okay, prepare ta nyame ko mi ngame fo karantale. Ni president ko nga fene karanje. So ngamin karawto ngobe kafu nyomal ngalandi. Beta mal bi jele a jaw mal bi ji. So lafta min kala beta mal mbole tala ngi pak. Min yalla koy jawyata ngol be bondi football ko. Karola ni nata na governance system. Bawo ndinke da president de memma la committee mela mo governance do kolti.
Yeah.
The executive committee and the sub committees la maranya men be football sambala. O mu kuleti pillar woti men ko bo mu baramal de football ko men ko mayata baki. Because nim football lo committee men mata football the executive committee no montano den woto football titan. Killing. Mbodo ko no la nyamen kaba wole katoke. Bawo fana e ka mitinol kele ka kolke bar fewol be jele men desata hanisay. Wol nyenta topoto lo konole. Wo kono ni nata policy document dol be je GFF han be wol man soto. Barinte nga scanning nek nin ko ngan dan down la jube was governance la karola office maranya ka loi bukol dada ani loi londi membe football sambala mune mankita ji ndel ngol be kilin bondele ngalandi nga kayto nga buko dada ka fo me manifesto o manifesto wolo miro te comme nin sita be mune kenola
Yeah.
ka football o yirwa so governance la karola office maranya loi karola membe loi membe football sambala nga mira jamala ko la ngol dada min man soto mbol kala yeboto yena jube na regional kamen fu football to development no la Gambia a taro regional datiji kada ni ko Gambia Football Federation
Yeah.
34 clubs wala tam federation woni
Ha.
5 allied association ninko allied association wala kafolti men be dendarin GFF bala o mu referee la committee bokono e ka fo men referee football association yena football players la football association women football association school football association and like so niyo 5 for kafu nyoma wol fana dabe GFF kono
Yeah.
7 regions ñi be dabe GFF kono bari ning club be be kato ke ka bantam club tiel football team be mbol ngana kolata nyama ko teamol samba
Yeah.
mbe kato ke la ngol futande level dot club development wo be kenol nyane ba be mire kon ko professional league lafta dun wala kon ka ba wole kato ke e ferol be landi professional league be start la nyame bari football teamol men nyento professional league play la fe parete la ba ndela football team mo bolo kon football team do bolo kon sa ni wole be do ko kele ngol level o samba dula dot membe ma ko no pour nga ke professional team modi wo kono ila timul maranya abe development mbo kafulale ila kodo maranya club level wo nyanda kafulale ko jol membe bulo e nyanda karandale level o soto membat nay keno professional teamul la ko jolti ila medic men katara ila player baramata men kay jara dolu bije bakan e be kato ke kan bar hasan xama mo nyum fon sa kafu fatunte be do ko leje so ngo problème belon nata ke club tiulati club be dimiw membe kono nga dimiw lone ba be mbulle ba kono sanji jol be 1997 men be executive kono bi bitakan wolto fo no lande because ngamme lon club o maranyaato imalon abende bulle bir 1997 itra kono kilintiji me a fonsun club o soro from 1997 to date e ba fala ko nen karle den timola ndene mo man den timo ndey abente bulle ba maraka so mankilin mode club o maranya fo no lande bar ni dara regional ko ndabara sandu misral nko nin nata mem manke o president dol mam menke lafto la kala regional headquarters football headquarters at regional level
Yeah.
mba kireta jara soma ni gambe jube bi jara soma lam temati
Yeah.
ma sa konkolo ma fon la wo be mar la football la ni region fol me yanko de at disadvantage nin ko mo ma fon la e fenjama be je mam men so football kono ni regional office be mar la wala la URR CRR NBR and LRR ne ñu fo regional soto ni tata basi fatu moto tayta round
Yeah.
ntenga Gambia lo nyame wallahi nin candidate membe ñu sabake malo nyama ndele nga banko leti so ndele mu moti menyata marla football biko hanne belar na bunkono ni may ko ko nyame na dankunko jebe nyaade fo football filo si keno jele mbe silo lo jubele men kata dankunko fo so silo nyin ne akije mol bitano play la jele land size be bulle bang ñi mu kuleti mbe mirano bar même nene manta nene mam fota pakali ba o ite man ciarar dong notan sar be ñame abe ko lalale mo le bene ko ko ngara ñi ken ñun blakare bari man jelong ibe la mo le mo la yamarol bari te fon lo londo mam fota ji base kumandam banko be artificial to fote dulato ñu koy artificial to box ba grâce au membe
yeah
base kumandam banko be ka bo koy naka naki north and south ate dulato yana CRR
more ba fala ko you play a part in that bayra to level no ato last election ato le campaign ta team kaba
yes
atol and unfortunately or for fortunately alwinter right and then kodo be kana football or Carola you were the finance director
very well
and I think a lot of people I was going to bring that question me obina la nyato do mande bari if you say that is not there would you take responsibility for that because you were part of that organization that did not do that
yaje ne executive nte responsibility tano you know why
okay why
Yemen electoral office as executive committee members wala policy makers wo policy decision nte bu kota nte mo mendu is the finance director nte mo staff already like Fatou kere Fatou e mulle mo soto men marta ni studio
yeah
ila do kulal ni la responsibility lo bari tina ye kuma fete te man so me kija nte si idea soto nole sinya jama ni tata na planul kono jube the project committee planol soto ko seven bin Musafa ke nga fay lamoy ko Musafa ke be ko janabe bolaje every region nyanda fil kilin soto
yeah
a plano be dala I was part of the plan many drafting but the final say tentable ni tata GFF you go to the executive committee ba fele ko ngu plano soto to biti and stakeholders member football kon e be ka sonako every AGM ni nga bojoro president ka jele regional fields on the projects regional field kono be regional to be filo kala A B C and D le 5 fields 5 regions sawo sankafale bara manke no kemo man responsible ko ke nda manke executive committee member ti hanna diata nyanta keno because mu nekata ninga sikam ko te fature ko nyanta filo kala basete kemo emo accountant no da manati ila do ko ke mo le benta fanan ko sando wala ndi general secretary general secretary wala kasi executive committee meeting so ni woni member of executive committee call of fondolier ndel director say finance director the competition director technical director media and communication director wol manki executive committee member ti nin ko mu ye policies men na fen tulka
alcohol implement
bar ko filo nyanda kelo da bar sign nda fon be sila as president
to decide
ni nga projet ko safe ko men nata for football field mba make sure ita football field munati na bu planul ka menda da ka fail jama ka menti nin ko do nada pour nyanda filo men kala kuina la nga divert ata national team aka soto
yeah
because national team mo nyanda play la nyanda ko do me require la pour kata abuka soto bari nata nyi miro so nenda ka president mbo bondi no la nyaadi
yes
na kacha be futalo to
me fala woto mita me fala
bari ngam nyita ndila santem folo ni regional B ngalo men na regional headquarters ni ngalo jara soma will make sure be kato bekel nenna timo kaje ko regional artificial top field kilin soto dami an ko nimmol tataji e be football ken la bete and regional isi timor bonno men be da first division second division free play professional league
yeah
jara som example bring artificial top field tiji ning elara la zone ne ko timo na ta jam wate kamal 13 not e elara 13 banyule 15 14 12 7 goals bara mam possible sign
mune wosa
ya fili betol so de ka football keda bureau filo de data Jara West qualified to second division Hearts will be first division
because I come to infrastructure is very important
very
in football
important
development
Hearts be first division Suwokono be second division Diba Oil taradun second division so filo a lot of clubs produce GFFA because be no regional do bari na promote kata GFF la so akumayata wo regional dawda ya function artificial to feel killing shot na be kilnet ni mom flokino but for a start na killing keno blato
so kemo binal je because ngala fenko jele ko the coach iko the unifier ngaminje Gambian football to afitno it's like there's a lot of division in football and I attend le fang development oriented kala nyaming atardata. Yes, we all agree there have been a lot of strides. Nyatu taja master football okono, data AFCON, Gambian football falintale honestly. But football or prior gonna develop stakeholders will foy be kilinti. Government, the ministry, GFF. Andung ye kuma kilin fo jam for example nale kodo soto pour ka regional football develop ka filo ke lato ali akodo divert national team. But we all know most of the time the national team should be sponsored by government. It's all a responsibility. But if the government can fail, is most of the time is because the relationship with governments and GFA all these years Afisata Lesai has not been really cordial. Itibe mune kenola. You call yourself the unifier. Ibe mune kenola can make sure government, the ministry and the GFF ibulo elanyo can make sure momola responsibility miminti yake. How are you going to do that?
Abaraka bake fatu ya fanya men stakeholders ninga start nina manifesto jube. Ya le dia mo start hole ku unifying. Ndelko I am a unifier. Kemo, the coach, is a candidate of unification. I want to unify the football family. Fatumba Kenola. You know why? Coming up, we go back to history. What previous presidents may be Tamita.
Yeah.
Jamabi JB Siring, Gambia. And the former executive committee members, they are not in football. Ma from Bemurne positions are in football. But hormone bunyambo dilela, ya bata menke football kono kunu, ni celebrate ko karni kar, kunu nyele ke football kono Gambia.
Yeah.
That's for now one. Two, candidates ni men be sabala. They are not my enemies. Imanke njawati.
True.
Ni mun tala freno salibu buka fo kemo aka fo nyelon koto. Musa very good funkol benati. Hada ma bete ba fond. Wa ni benda football majenda mon la kasi ngata kachar. With all noise men bebe kere.
Wow.
Ndel Musa wote problem sotla. And lafta menna ning ale ma ko 29 ko kemo lo winter. Fatu to men to jen to be fono la jam. Bari molbe kujala holo fankono. Asikinu jahli nyi keno nyandil because ale fana kemo ke sifa dolte man tam fam jeka bari ngalon ko ngo xat so lafta salibu ni Musa Trembala ni do ko ke sama ni ngoke e la followers men be bala nyaaje nyaato ko sabol kete kilindi men be social media de mon be ñu hitla salibu la support Musa la support kemo so be ba kaf la ñu mala ko tek ndel tam football oti football family mo wara a baby around the 34 clubs the regions nimbe kafta ñoma the football samba la frayta direction government wol main stakeholder e manke do manente football ko non ay nga fala na manifesto ni akara berimbe lonci kaka nga yitande mol bel ko president men be do ko ken nga men be ke ko kaba namiro fi ko atale mu di best president fanna la do ko la karola wodol be yakatale mo be yakatale they are all good bari ngaje lay menken between these 12 years yena na minister la karola national team futata dame bi hadrame sidibe brabe yuton sports ngalo na kato menke national team ka futambe dame ate stop ta dame honorable baji nata star bakari start bakari kato menke afcon twice ngata alata ko la telo
Ini moja ma disagree la.
No,
okay,
no.
C'est d'accord ko Afcon twice, but come best minister.
No,
you know, Bakari is my brother.
Ndala feeling
no, no brother lo.
Batun kanele fa.
Batun kana diamo fam because ni ngene opinion of yansiram problem obina. Bakari is my brother.
Yes.
Personal brother.
Yes.
You know, ega molle ma jami an ko be mun brother. Bakari is my very good brother. You know me and Kaba.
Yeah.
Kaba is my brother. Just like you. And Bari, I'm just telling you the popular opinion out there. If you say Bakari was the first minister, best minister, a lot of people will disagree. I'm just saying that. But he's my brother.
No,
he's doing well.
Opinion.
No, I'm telling you what people. I'm not saying me.
But kanele.
Ntengal no stadium or lo da tell time mola. Ndara Afcon sinya fula bari nga fo lo mol be disagree la.
Fatu.
As a journalist, I can tell you what people think. Yeah.
Ndaka me nyitandila. Mbedo ko la GFF yalla ni xamene ministers le doko.
Yeah, sir.
More than 7 ministers at that youth and sports.
Yeah, you can say that.
7
so
ministers.
So you believe he was one of the
No, ni bele doko ke.
Yeah.
So ngalo ne football bata menki. Normalization committee jol ntata wala kono jam. How many normalization committees?
Yeah.
Stability sort of football kono.
Ala time wala.
Ni minister hana mal lafinna.
Yeah.
Abukan kelendi.
Abuka kele.
Bari del dissolve le ikaje len dissolve ko teke.
Tonyalo.
Ku jamala ke football kono ngam membe kala mata.
Yeah.
So ni tarante la financial statement ol jube. Support from government. Soundul ka soto je ka zero la jiji. $1 buka soto from government.
But that's fully different now.
I'm telling you. That's but Bakar la time 2023 audited accounts. Niya jube men soto from government. Support to national team. was 48 million. 2024 audited accounts will give you almost about 70-something million. 79 million dollars from government support.
Yeah.
So, nte ta fonola
Yeah.
ko among fenke because atala time.
No, honestly, yes.
B,
But
no,
the
excuse
reason
me.
why I inject Jay,
You know-
I wanted you to give me proof why he
Yeah,
is,
yeah.
and you just did that.
Yes.
Because Tonya, I know a lot of people can come back, but honestly, during his time, we have seen stability because at the last election, Moli Amira Numfong election of cancel that.
Yalam for-
Because at 10
for- excuse me,
So the fact that it, you can prove that.
The
then-
monkey politician ko nata janka mole jay.
Yeah.
Now others will tell me, for instance, monkey do la candidate.
No,
I have
I'm
no problem
coming
with that.
there.
I have no problem with that.
I'm coming there.
But maybe
Even government, even kill a candidate.
and government man candidate soto.
No, a candidate soto.
No government man candidate
And
soto.
then journalist sold.
More in government can have their personal
No,
feeling.
and journalist sold.
Okay, fine. Maybe
Nata.
je dal nsime yitani nola. Wala karola nga minister sol gel men yan ko kato ke football kon.
Yeah.
Al nintel winter ila question on kana world.
Yeah.
Ndelta do ko kenelo bita de government. Nena manifesto kono jube. All the ministries about more than 9 ministries
Yeah.
manifesto kono nga men kije ko wolim football be do ko kala. Minister of Health will work with football. Ni do ni kay bafle talo na be keno la nyame. Nga mul so nga ferol sotole.
Yeah.
Ni tata health. There are a lot of health issues men beke. Ni al linkan in football la ibe nyo jela dulalto.
Dorado.
Football can get funding from health. Health activities only through football. Agriculture the same thing. In back way issues may be thing. You can use football to do advocacy for a lot of programs. So Ministry 9 bijele ngamenta in the manifesto condemn be do kokela. That's government.
Yeah.
The President of the Republic. He's the president.
Yes.
Until the do keno without the president. Men the minister can memfo and the ministry are all under the central government.
Yes.
So the keno without the
Without
government.
them.
That government relationship, it is key and the makes sure working.
It's alleged that the government, the president, and the president, especially the government, don't email up candidates or prefer. They perceive you as an opposition. How do you feel for that? I mean, to be honest, to be fair to the government, in Mafo, ma action day. But obviously, this is politics. Football politics, and we hear different things. This is the allegation. How do you perceive that? How are you going to work to make them believe stakeholders will then select to be the president, but I'll make sure that I maintain the cordial relationship between football and government, because that is important.
Yeah, Baraka Bagafaru. Well, that's a news to me. Ko government injele because ni alate man ko lofet nene ma moy government minister la ko ke mom UDP nene ma moy announcement from the central government
and ma for ya for UDP then
no,
for UDP
like an opposition for instance.
Yes.
Nene maji from any government public release or a statement from the government co candidate elem government party.
Okay.
Be manke government party because of an opposition. So nimme o jenta kajel ko like maybe it's just a rumors.
It's allegations.
Because more in the central government, menan ko daily.
Okay,
Ibende support candidate.
Lamin Kesedi.
100%.
It's one of your biggest supporters.
So not only Lam Kesedi,
And
I
others.
have chemo is for everybody.
Yes.
Ning atre ka political fonkolo jubeta any political party intela mo le biji. So I am chemo for Gambia.
Yeah.
Not chemo for a particular political party or a sector.
Yeah.
Honey. Ndebe fintitelen kombina president GFF for everybody.
For every Gambia.
Not for a sector of people. Okay. And key is the government relationship. Womto compromise la.
Good.
And honestly, if you look at my backroom staffs, the executive committee member, Nemen Bedoko, the likes of Momodu Jaganawal, more so, the Bakare Boy of West Coast.
Yeah. More so referee, right?
Political.
More so Betela Timur.
Yeah, more so is my team.
Okay. How did you snatch more so from Kamaso? He was a big Kamaso.
Yeah, more so is a football person. Nga kukili la ka football lo fasa, because individual more so ka bula monoka.
Yeah.
More so ka football lo fasa.
Yeah.
So that side, government la karola ka I'm comfortable ko. Ndesa for delta government mun am their candidate.
Yes.
So for no.
Well,
because nga long 100%. Mo man na konte ko government ka fatila. Nene ma moy mol. And nene ma moy ko government ko karamal ila candidate. There's no government candidate.
But government from Wakartefa, stakeholders will like
well, so that should be clear.
Stakeholders will like now let's look at the coach, Allah Manifesto. Come here for regional football is very important. And I think Yeku killing for Wolom infrastructure. Infrastructure is very important in football. And like Katinale football ka nasi naman soto. Ning Kemo is elected president. What are the key priorities Kemo Biminkela? Football of a certain state sign. What we are looking at how to build on that. What is the key priorities me along the coach be wole natila into Gambian football?
Yala mol kamen be mira memu mol issue ko JFF is not accountable and transparent. Omu kuleti me along ko mbaji la ko abembe improve la back.
Is that true?
Mola miro lo renta fona manke.
Is it munetela mira lo?
Na miro. GFF is very accountable and very transparent and ngana regional sotol.
Ona regional.
Yala ni ko ebe accountability ni transparency jubela. GFF la members mentamu GFF.
Yeah.
Kilinte lola. Iyafako the GFF is not accountable and not transparent because GFF end of every year.
Yeah.
Ikela activity report dadale. The activity report will tell the stakeholders, owners of the Football Federation, ka intendele ko kabo January 1st, December 31st, do call me back the GFF. Killing. Fulanjang, the financial report, audited accounts, amanke kafo kasinga mira nga figol na de hani, audited account by certified accountants, nkatala nga present to members, and ka kiele 2 weeks before Congress or before Annual General Assembly. Imari reportul jube, kodo men sotota, a dépense ta nyadile, adunda mintoni mintole, very transparent. So nim fotata AGM, nka presentation ka kele to stakeholders. Nilam financial statement for this year. Al sonta la bam fale man son. Debate ni man son abuka approve. Bar ni sonda e ka fole yes sonda nga approve. That's for the yemen tamida. Sankana ñu duñu sankuto men kon. January 1st to 31st of December. Nka même president mu budget oti. Bako ite dun no la sankono e ka kodo mu de ka dépense mentam football federation ma kalamata. So no budget of an president ka ñi the stakeholders la ko. Alla budget de afele. January to December 31st ñi le be spend. Mbe kodo me expect am FIFA ñi nangam lo. Baluwo be mendi la na ñi lo. Mbe men soro kere faatu bulu ñi lo. Fature en so ñi la. This is the total income nga me expect ñi sama men kana. Expenditure men ñi ndekela ñi lo. So ni na da sign. Eco accountability and transparency column issued. Ndoko nam telbe improve la on that.
But when I did Janikata what? So more coming for like GFF. Along and I disagree with people on this a lot. Well enough for more camera contact alpha sale. Because I think I've dealt with you guys on some level because Baluo, I am their rep here and I directly deal with GFF, you especially because the payments okay atole. So Modoko GFF atu what hani near contract kickbacks go de every year almost $20,000 na tiel. But in nama hani dela so dinna nunka batabi nge nika sonkala fudo bienka fo intala invoice ojola. So I don't know how that happens. But a lot of people believe a lot of money comes through GFF. Ko di jamale kana through GFF in Gambian football ko do min ka bo FIFA aning mala ka bo min to ko bar ko jama ka wonan FIFA e wolfo bari mo ko do min ka wonan FIFA how many millions e ko le calculate last election that was the topic e ko mo lu kaje so how that somehow ni election o kono hakilo fele yelata o kono banko allegations were ko ke mo le ka kabanyol makoy kodo tabale GFF ka tite finance director kodo te bono la GFF miya lonko as the finance director you don't implement it you make payment but kodo okodi botte fa na yakala ngolon ka tite la ka sign off for ni be li fola wala na botte je fa na bal na ka you in control of the bank accounts so nata ke woni kabale ka tapale yake moflo ka den wana bi man ka funo e kilinti because then we be nyanta nyola kulo fola nyoel so at some point I feel ko Ntolbe nyanta sit lale and take stock and say maybe that is not what was happening. But a lot of people believe a lot of money was coming into GFF. But Tonya development so totally, but there can be more because all the things minyanta kela regional feel soto pichisoli betea sometimes fanang picho doli deda ila quality of the work and it means sign up ta wolka ke problem what for example alla football fenko ta todo you know fenko to come out for how many thousand some of those things were things people could not understand so Can you tell us, kodo min kana GFF, min make a claim, especially on social media? Because to be honest, this is why people don't have trust in GFF.
Yeah.
Because some people came out who were part of your team, they came out and make serious allegations, financial allegations against the GFF. And everybody ran away with that notion. But up to now, even though interviews Jamal kita kabanyol bakari nyol kasenendir okay, but still you being the finance director, can you tell us kodo min kana GFF akadung especially kodo min bota FIFA akata program wol kono bang ya designer
baraka bake fatu yaje bekuma kelim fole wala nan koy ko GFF la honors men tam football federation gambe bele tam but the key stakeholder ko men ka club wol ne fonko members men nan ko e ka AG mol attend e ka congress wol attend and GFF be nyame amanke institution di me nan ko de fatu sulata fofo ne ta sodono be in the accounts office.
Yeah.
You call the 2024 audited accounts or 2025 last year. Left all the audited account. Ismaila, member as finance director. I have a copy deal. You can come here, discuss it. You are free to do that. I'm a mabo. Nobody at Mota for the GFF co. Mbalantel ka information on it. Berinte be director. Ni na te konyo sula da audited account. Kodo me dundamba for the ngafa defes. Fo fe jahal. Nsi singa be bondi. Bare mbe kuma kilim fole. Kolo men kana mol ka Seattle bari ni men kana yo jube men ka tay bokolo ngoy ko government la contribution 79 million last 2024 ngamera ngolo fay jam
that's a lot
yalla on ko jamal but on national team
yes.
men spend 169 million dollars
to be GFF like
no men ngamela moy kam men spend is 169 million dollars ni manke ta boxul ko ni ba tar la je wonyalama.
Wow.
So can you tell me
90 something million obe what I mean told.
Exactly. GFF funded. So calculate ya multiply divide by dollars like dollar jalawati. If the government is 79 million dealer, eco pro national team la major. Nimbe AFCON qualifiers, a bit World Cup qualifiers. 5 matches, 10 games late. National team, senior national team la major match $20 million is not doyat.
Wow.
$20 million is not doyat. Independent janka GFF different. Ano man transform because the killer president the world.
Yeah, but you
but
understand
remember caring calling it and ko.
Yeah.
Every match of the senior national team match dala so million moins na doyata. Wala ka dépense. Nundo nga football Kenya mani sa mankili. Nundo footballer kana le fan sun ticket e ko jo na play. What a caring sign. Footballer every game, ni national team every game camping allowance na special budget lo. Ni play the majo na winda ka jole tiketo be dunia dawda GFF la ka tiketo sam fanya ta play dan in government so ni government na te ko GFF 10 million be mbulu ni majo and majo 20 million nati fombe mone kala bar kolo be fintala timo be play le nyame kili fula njaw ndene mote denna pour ka kuriyake ning atare ngolong wo xamo benna binde sila jam ko lefta place la GFF yalon fatu hadama de inyanta kele fonlati ndabe football ko non ko ngamen be membe tinyata mbul fota membe la in terms of na personal development football latina so ndeta sonna moyente ke mo use e ko nga football tinya mamoji membe mbulala nde football tinya la andu ndem fon tinya la munati nan tem fon tinya la ndenga dingul la soto men nyabinka nga family la soto men nyabinka nga ala tendu 23 years do ko GFF bi ni ajem fintital lotam ko mbekela president ni nga sunya roke ya fanya kemo yena ko dol sunya am here ni nga sunya roke ala fanya nga sunya roke bari jumala ba falama ni sa fe Africa Bay finance director ni left and see sponsor you go and do a research e ba tara ko kemo the poorest finance director to Africa Bay football kon
e mon pode
no nten ngalo nang hanin ni koy mafo compare to modul ngol football finance directors Africa kon
yes wolga ko dostor
kemo is the poorest ngalo nang kamen foy mune atina ndeka jubele konte ngamen soto fatu ngata julota bank wala fisara nga funta mem mankentati
so that's definitely
so ka foko ha ni molle ka de
no do ko das clear ñing election o da may wo Sénégal
no
because na tra no ngal ka de no ngal ka kuriya ka te hañ la ale fata
no so e quand même for kickbacks
yeah
kickbacks ke moto control no la
yeah
muna nanta control no la fa so da fama so nteto fo no la
okay
because iko project ko men befu feel sol men befu ko lol men be ka dunji ning contractual because wo fana process le kake
yeah
mo le be procurement committee example B Musa Jammeh Falcons
yeah
wolon procurement committee chairman
okay
ning project ko binaka contractual le do ko bid sol submit
yeah
e katara Musa na la committee le bul
yeah
na juba pareda I have passed to another committee
yeah
projects committee ni ya okay ko yes ni everything better
yeah
aita executive ya approve
yeah approve
na approve ta eko fature contract ko men da fature ya de 20 million no
payment plans on unit
wo kaytol be agreed from different processes be agreed ndala boss mu general secretary ngo fo
yeah
so na bar executive committee meeting ya be jube parete ko yes ni la correct atata in the executive meeting minutes ko ni nyanda kelale ya di secretary general di general secretary a minute finance director please pay na fata na tableau ka mbe invoice wol mtela be kelementa ka be calculate fo ni invoice wol correct la fo man correct araf meeting
yeah
ala accuracy nte bole check la
yeah
nga jube allocation men bije for that project fo ni be in line or not
yeah
na mantra online den nga inline nga minute ke to the general secretary nga advice ko e ko nga nyinjo bar abc di ngol observe na insista ko still pay aita finance department yef process ke bank transfer I am ndabo ke cheko sign mu finance director di yes bari je fele bank account kilinti je nka cheko sign min na cheko sign wo signature mo wonani lo kabalon bakari president first vice president second vice president and the general secretary ñila mu signature to the bank account finance director ne manke signature GFF so mo la foro ndeto stop no la
yeah
bari nte ngalo nte mu jumalti andu ngalo lefta men sama
yeah so you know we started talking about the first priorities, but near derail the money. So I want to go back to still before ngata because we'll end with priorities. But I want to come back. So Nyimbeketa in Kabado Koke, you told me out of all the presidents, you feel like Kaba is the best in Minbedo Koke, and you worked with him for 12 years. You supported his candidacy last election. You campaigned for him. You worked with him. You campaigned for him. Munatina Albe Manke. Munana, you know, you're not in the same team now. Because obviously, Falcons, Musa Jammeh, and Nkemo were all in the same team, Team Kaba, to support Kaba re-election. Why are you not in the same team now?
Yeah, baraka pake fadu. Yalon dunia hada madi unibe kala moti. Ite mu menti, ani lefta kala menti. Ike from program. Ndanga plan ko December 2025 nimman fata na manshot. Mbenda hala dokola as a staff.
Okay.
Bari mtenda hala football kono. Na hamu menti walka ka GFF la president.
Okay.
Bao Kaba akoitel pa senator constitutional kono ko ala after la term limit no banda abe dahala.
Ate dahala yeah.
A senator. Bari nganyim fo sanji saba komando. Ndara mabolo nganyim plan start junal. Ko ning atre Kaba be dahala. Nganyim hammo soto pour ka na as president. Yemem fo ndelebe kukili.
Yeah.
Mbebe tim Kaba. Ndala timu biko wato dojla mansoro e be kato fay Kabale. Andu nga fere ke no ngakele wo campaign ko as a staff mom findi openly bari yes mol be mbala meni do ko kay man mistake kat momo ba ko kono sarate belela momo bo executive ko no ngalo ko molo nyenta fatala men patata be man August 16th 2025 nga kurul sikam fatata fo alfani na bunkon
Kaba
kany tandala ko andu ninga sedo la soto men dandanji nga tentu nga jey kato birbita kam maka office nga package le from Saudi ite lek hajube jumal bita wo sang a bendan telefi ndara hijola nata ko batal president isano le ko fature le bita
ha
bare bawo buñani hormo kam
yeah.
nga futama nga tentu nga jey ku beto meketa
yeah.
mala fi nga ke fisir wallo bare nga kurodi ka buñadi bawo ntel ya ngolelo alfa ka futama le siakuto nga buñadi ko lan hamu muñede pour kaka GFF president ni atari ita dolo ngani kale nyina nko ni atra kabaye condition falate muruta nan ko ta kabe continue la mantalo hani gambe be ko ngalon telol
ntelola fe
because comme ngam foye nte ko abete atale nte lolo nga campagne ko kaba ma bete nta kala andu mutin dun lato hani bi ni kaba ko ngalo ka tele bena mbenda hakote ngo fole ngo la hiduta so nga bunya diala ni bakari bojang west coast la president woni kaba temo ala da mane ala be nyame Ousmane Chodrame bakaw hanni mafo nin ko Chodrame kabala relationship football kono dunia be bako Gambia be alon no wolle fotata kabama August 16 2025 nin kur wala bon ko
1 year exactly almost
yes exactly
yeah
nga silo dante nga ko be fo ay même fa ko Gambia be folo mo mom fotamma nyin ko la na man ketati Bakar Bojang cho ataltina ya kula nale wale akoko bar wato man si alinga bad foni wato sita baw nyaton ko ni diamata juna isika fo janja
yeah
ala yamaru bitata nsitan ten kunta journalist bulata no kan interview la big samul mole press na interview ko ndi mota interview kala mole fenke ko loy fon kabate talan ko mamoy kabada nte jikita ko tim kababe ntel tala Musa jamme nga kol ndara ya first na benda abe train ka ngana bunya fay ko lafta lola bar lafta ñi lete yelanka nga do ko follow fulan jang ko te nata a call janaita African Cup that was in December naka jar ngai bimbe miro la because ba wato man si follow bari kana si fol wato si fana ngam mira ni jumala be tala executive ko
yeah
ngai bella fili la back ila support la ila timo anite fon la miro ko bella fila ni atara be timo lo ngete ke force vice president ngai bella fili la back wallahi ni naka brotem ngai so bella fila nga kafunyuma nga one big team dada ñile kabawle menke idanta dame nga tawto naita même man beta ngo stop même beta no continue afana ko ñako wallahi wo fana sedo be moto kono ni meme moto kono Musa ko ñako mbe na support bedile la nata Bakary Bojang call West Coast la president ngay ni Musa fana kacata alhamdulillah rabbil alamin Musa fana ko bismillah kaba ko ñako al futa Bakary Jameya ntata Bakary Jame fana nga fana nga buñale diala ay kurwo teleng ako man nga kunda ne kurwo mo la kurwo teleng do woto ya accepter ay kuma betol fu na benta dalal men bela men bentema ay wo bef mam moto ñande ndara Ibu Fay fana no kala office ko these are the 3 presidents
yeah
nga buña dila ko mbetim kabal ko ni man la fi nga findim fo as an independent candidate son tata wato mo man findi imagine bring August mbakam 4 February nga rumus moy ko Musa Jammeh kam no nga force rumus moy octobre e ko ibe Musa la prepare ka bari me ya fo nyanka am possible ndela bina as kabal team kabala flanker ndara ko teki senior government of nga amoy ko teki e ko ñu kabani Musa la be abe Musa la prepare ka ngoy ni men tara ya nga fo ngoy ñu la be kerri e ko ñu nata kenola ndel be men to kababe tarawol sagana ma cho membe bakaw akoy nake ba kana ñi fanyo koteki
ndesa
kana so molen kabadu ndi ñola kabane tente jam fala nga bismillah nga nga mem mbol fokay so ntara biring force meeting keda moliaje ko tonya silobe fatakan e ko nga finti ngalo as an independent candidate ngoy nde finti la nde lolam foni lung menna tim kaba ko nyako ke mum la fitala lafta karle mbe ala taala bari ntakela mbe battle for the last year bari ngam fon prepare men all along ko because membe caring ndela determination to be president nga ku jamala londe andu nga lono fen jamabe caring lafta men chingla so membe kono ma ku je membo boneno fonim farade so kamala mbe dala nga contest August 29 kata kesa kilo ni nga soto sala wala ma harjudi baraka fuko kan daha ni mbato ateke nola no determination tata na mitino ke Uncle James la bunkono James Gomez candidate fulo be sita ngoy ko ye nyine kan ko Uncle James ntata kabaya ntata bakare ntata Ibu Faya ni Musa Diamata ntata ben rumo kono 6 of us Uncle James Kaba Bakari Ibu Faya Musa Jam nde ngoy nganyil be mal nganna interest intani bel andu be mo ma fanya kanake mo ma fanya ko stop me Musa la nafil cool be keta force meeting ngoy ko ndaga mem faale 3 years nga plan ko lefta kala nyinati andu wolbe Musa rembulo na lefta Musa na koto nga do ko ke barante kam bondi president yala position oto ngoy ko no because cool nga mem plan andu ngalo no way nga plan kajata another meeting second meeting ke team kaba original team kaba meeting a foto je ko ke push and pull dole la position oto final meeting yenkili ko nyako sign no korosi roke masa kundala position o be nyame etela ku table minister astaghfirullah minister karolo be nyame because wona la candidate lo ha ite fana nga jube ko ite kala mori because of la political line ningi na fe ni minister do ko keno ni winter wallahi te fanya la mura this is exactly what was said ngoy bismillah say Musa la candidate Uncle James ko nyako say fo be pare la ka Musa ko force vice president ba ngay Uncle James ndega mem fo ben kunu hani bi wala bembol I'm very consistent komi kan kili ka foko nganyile muta so ninga Musa ke president ite be sok jule ke force vice president nka hinde man prepare how come I said I want to contest as a candidate for a purpose. I have a vision.
Yeah.
I think I can achieve something better because I'm more experienced than men be contest can currently. They are okay. I have no problem with that.
Yeah.
But ngamelo institution okono, ngamelo GFF, itenteni will compare no la. Ndebe jeli daily na somanda everything be official kono. Membe tata membe beta ngabelon. Menyinda correct la membe na correct la ngabelon. It's different from mina ko be other business la. Ni muy la secondary business la. Football man kente secondary. It's not everything with football all.
Yeah.
So mo la ite journalist la muyti. Ni men ko ita fenke marché to amanke le dokuti.
No, to understand.
Ila documenti bole la. So ndela document football olong. Manke fanna do moti. So ning mo dolte katano la ñi hapunta. Ñi le wali wona fe. Bara manke ko hano beketa. E manke njawti de.
Yeah.
Ila opinion ka je ko musalamu ila best candidate wala be tol bodo. Men fanam fe ko ke mo lo best candidate. Nka ala danele bake. Ye jiko men soto no ale ma ko ngo jikol ma fa. Ndek ala dan wala mol jikita mol be do ko la pour ka jiko August 29 e carte o fanye inshallah jikita ko bekela.
So bi nga jël ko alla launching ñi we covered it alla launching ñi nga jiko almost all regional presidents were there.
Yeah.
Ngal ko stakeholders all minti walam 34 clubs. Each club you one vote less at all. Regional is 7 region.
Yeah.
Each region I think has 4 votes. Nimanyina. Be cham football or champion karane jamala. And then allied associations are 5. Yes, so altogether is 77 people. And no is warta nyawnya. 77 votes. Wala kanyini.
Yeah.
It looks like you're dominating when it comes to the regions. You have regional 7 regional presidents. I don't know, what is the state of our campaign be? Because, yes, regional chairman or president or natila fenkotole, but obviously 4 votes lebije. Ima mirako ning bakari bojampir kama ako ate ap faite bari mona no mbe carte faila because sadi wala carte fayo ngaje la min keta jande nte wala na football carte fayo nte buka kemal la fenne football because up to that morning, you know, people were giving me numbers, calculating kafanyo ko sari biwe nyine stola nyine basutola regional be batelo bulu nyimbe nyine bulu bari kabrim for the election lungoto that did not manifest atol be lori ngadele.
Yes, yalong ite maro keta nyame ndongolon.
Okay.
Nte ba kono lenu.
To nyalo.
Fo fenkito to ngabelon. Mune atina u hapunta nte to fule jang. But that's a strategy nde me mundele strength. So mbe men asole ko. The regions, signed the man 7 of this, I'll be honest to you.
Okay.
KM is not with me.
KM, yes, more.
Signed the positionamento. Banyulu fana ma be soto.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, those are Banyulu.
Yeah, mbe Banyulu definitely mbe Banyulu soto. But I think maybe ma be soto. Yes, most likely. But I can tell you 100%.
Birkama.
The 5 regions mbo soto.
Birkama 100%.
5 regions, I'm telling you.
Kabaye
5 out of 7.
Aha.
Fatu, I'm telling you. I have 5.5 from 7 regions.
Five
And
and a
Fatu
half.
from the clubs.
Nga Geolondi follow.
Geolondi. Tomorrow, if tomorrow is the election, I'm determined.
Tomorrow election or
I am
today?
determined. If na siata, minimum vote, you count 45.
45.
For team coach.
So 5 team coach, 5 regions, almost 5 times for 20 lots. 5.5, almost 22 lots. So the other ones,
I'll give you 20 clubs.
20 clubs out of 34.
Yes, I can give you that. Now the other side clubs are 15.
15.
Yeah, that's how much.
That's 37.
Allied
15.
Association 15 about.
Allied Association 15 Leboto. So
I can give you 6.
6 out of 15. Wow.
Maybe. That's how much.
That's above. You need only 38. That's above
39
30.
39 to
That's
win.
you need 39 to
So?
win. That's above 40.
I think the coach is the choice of the people, and I'm sure some election mulba itendele ko fatu he left a football le thing to change because muneketa hano club owners dulbe masla hakan bari yalo ne membe keri and momo be tonya fula yalo ne kemo ya start nyame ngam foita di johnny to where we are today etam function club o jube ngam keno amen fatu ani mi nyasiti kana teria jube nko left a football le yirwandela ndebe stakeholder be danila mo be danila same carte fay
Election was suto. Team Kaba last election was night before election. Was suto. More anyway, it alone because.
Femom fonkoje.
Yes, it alone.
So it afalani.
Okay. It alone. But the election night
And I
before.
can tell you the operators of that camp wala bembul. The operators.
Tir kuyaman betel.
Well, those operators ngam fay wala bembul and the clubs wallahi yalo ndako kemo etel be pen men fil kan kemo bo pen kilimu atamitu belale andi lata ko membu la maranola kemo lo regions yalla ko bi même a regional percent like it e be bata men kon ndebota santo to nga pen men solonje membe ya wala be di other regions to wala nako ni ñi nata ñimbe bala fa sutla
Ni election.
andum fatu hani bi dani rolo
Danilo.
mbemul dani la baki na football bata bala tamita ku jamal be keri
Yeah.
men nyanta cingla kan haju be ka dapi jelde bari ko nga limitation so dala be nan ka dandame bari sa yen tespang e duladina haju be
Ajube.
yo transparency jele nga je mayla ma complete
Yes, now.
mbeje improve no la nyami
Iba kenu la nyade.
accountability ñi yalo ne haju be e ka fa men tamu football federation
Ha.
ila president na manifesto ko nga fen so je ka me president la kacha
President. Okay.
killing flanjan do biji kame football banta ba president lañu kacha nim president la bisila karworo ngo ntel de beralen elek nga ñinni bi ñile keka Allah taala ñatili mune betata je mune mam betaji ko do ñi nangam le na rafolo nga ñine dépense bara manke auditor council follow de
Yeah.
mbe kacalla nga ñoo yir wonde hakkilullah même betaka même man correct nga correct so ni okay même me mol kumba ibalo nale ning sawo sam fanan sitan ko okay nga football banda bak
Yeah.
ete fa touré be sire ba fa ko ha mol be jahal lin ko do min kana o football banda ba ate kala club ni members damante journalist be di dabiki all media houses na mbe sila ni executive committee ali ala bulo ndi fatou ko ker fatou ndala probablement ala under 17 muna
Yeah.
dal baka kenote
Yeah.
membe je même marto under 17 na ba falale ko do lan nangam ñi ka bo FIFA aka du ñaadile même marto fanala a fali fe mo kumba football te balona say malaf ko tak mo yaafo ko jefe man transparent jefe so accountable ni me yaafo farna jere men ban ni so ke say bare nga beñu di Allah le nga silo di Allah nga banta ba kirita le pour aller na le kacha
Yeah.
so ñi mu ferole ti men ko lefta ke la pour ka yirwana fi football
Nami je min ti jahal. Mo min yalan ko wolle controversy ta gambe football be ko gam foot. Fo yaani gam foot lomba. Ngaji sa hani wol fon ke tele support. How did that happen?
well actually nta malom because men be gam foot mam molo nje
Imelo.
yalon ko no seriously speaking nta ni gam foot mom ave because ni ajibe wati soto gam foot ka blante attack la wati ni attack men ka advantage men soto ni ko kemo mam betea
Ha.
ni 100 comments nata e kata Ethiopia ka ale ben fo kemo wote toñata ñinam ya kele sinya kili ya ke sinya fula ya ke sinya saba so ngale ya jino ko maybe nga jube ya manifesto nyi fana karan because manifesto na media team ya doku bete back ya janjan la dula beto idunda han website o create within this short period ni dunda kana manifesto traje publicity be kikan so am so ko e bolle karanka yalan ko nyimu timoti mena ko lebe football marano anda fanam fatu ni ajube mantra mo do yakande bar ne di coach la executive committee jube.
That's what I wanted to come to, because I just wanted to look at the team around you. It's important pour mole along fanam jumal lebe the coach around, because I saw a lot of endorsement. I'm going through Allah page and I'm seeing a lot of endorsements. Let's look at more mini along ko lebe la executive for the people that surround you when it comes to being executive.
Intitano against the other group la funko bantela timo ni ajube. You look at the executive la composition ngalo nyame apart from Kemo ye Kemo jube well karola masters le bembolo in public administration wala molu la maranya anu niyo karang ika fanna jamal karanje ika communication karan strategic management ya karang kodo maranya ka karan project development ka karan wu fanna jama mudul jamal be kamen karan so aka hakilo yiri wandele pure marlo jama marano kilim fula na accounting kele wala mo specialized area mol ka wori mena kodo la ko so ni nata abe kole halale pour ya fon kana president na la committee le nene na nyindo akanata nyindo mata kana lantala because nga experience sotole advantage academic okay ni nara technical kafla si lansin ne bembulu wato lansin bal woti Gambia nga kojin kele sanji jamambe kojin so football technical matters to biji kojo tina sidan ko te ka kumul fanyi me ko yamera malo kan nene abe kole halale so organizing competition nga fello fanantole because during Gabila time mba kono anu nga musoro mena ko they are very good yena na first vice president Jube Mamadou Jagana ni me jefina Tarko Jube is one of the successful financial institutions in Banko Kanja karanda for the chartered accountant ay place jama mara nyim Banko ka anata ke muti men e daji ko beto soto bo wene la social media yamoy be Modou Jagana la ko jaw fuka Murba attack la social media ko amantilen ka sunyaro ko sifal ala tanka wala mun na force vice president anda woni government relationship asutiyata bakele asutiyata bakele so molti men kumayata yena wono ko membe je Bakar Bojang West Coast la president signa fula West Coast be warale nyame akata on oppose way ñi ñitande ko mol lato la bakele fula njang GFF la organization committee wala be Ibu Faye noka as a second deputy chair so ni Ibu Faye tije wati organization committee katarawol pour nim kum wala be marlanna domestic lek la maranyala ay experience sanji jama badu ko kon mom problème sototo yena membo no kan alay konate obi konate dim o wuluta football kon anda 40 o fana degree le bo fana bul ko do la maranya anata ke businessman oti ay dunia long ala networking is very good ala khadama ya timata ni mu molati menen ko sita dawda ya compare ni men be ñoo sabakan yela mur kilin la yela pesaro kan e banna ko na value be ñato bakete an football nunto e ka fu dankoro nga fature ki hani football tambita wala sa football amaranya men be bokanje wala na do ko min ñininka ay londolo ñi fay si be ko FIFA la projet kon kanyin même foten e ka sile FIFA ka do ko kirsan comme UN system et la project application form do bije ni adi karana do le take no la so mome yalon ko andane mo do ko sifa ka malom fereng ama ham soto fatu ni tara français ko okay ni mu journalist solte wala mala specified area amman do ko do ke nam ke journalism danna e ko na mara kodo mara nyala
ngata keno
ya batandile okay sa yana jube mome ko competition comme be liko mara la nyame andene make wo marta fanna menna wolon pour que news writing ke e kay tebita marla gambel liko be kala nyame ya marandola
oto keno
atanola so momo nyinta kala place to executive fokono e yenta jubela ni executive la do ko munyati ala place la do ko munyati fo nyi momen bakela ja bakela fata keno so ndanga na timo lole ko mbe momo na fela dawda abe kala multi me yalon ka be do ko nyi samanola wala nan sita ngam mira nga football team ko no jube nga kaful be membe football ko ngay jube jikita mella jikita mo jamala de bar mo be fanante kenu la ji so nga kilin men so nga place o di wala ni na rak dol jube men nga men kafumma comme mako ro ka Demba Jam Vista Bank Lamine Demba Jam ni melon Vista Bank o tambita expert la katu fanna mem aba doku la ala so hamhamola karanta la doko no alon do soto taw timdul ko ya compétene ata be place o mento ani men beti yela level jube iban Demba Jam man ko la majdi hay sa wala nan ko nimmo mo lafta stakeholder e ko Gambia football o yerwa koteke carte de ko nyala ti mo la ndela nga competency soto a experience bembulu pour ka marano bar danko doron ñindol katala nga ñindol na danko doron kana so wala samanin tiñaro kede ite mo bilem no le be fon la bilem ite me carte fay kana mo fanan kije ka fo be fature kala je ke mo ita si so kono aka control comme remoto kana so fanan na
fo bi je
asikenol because ne mo ke me yake place ota ma place o do ko no ite même bote jabita bor le telenuka ndabu finance director tinu membi je njikita ko wolente no do ko la manam fe ko ndesta mbele vulo mento aya lonne andate menno fan aske ndema menno so competent la pour ko place o mara na deunta abe nyini kala mena wobe kala history te tar ko da ma mellon barka fu technical do ko nyina karola ay wonol asenata so momo bina preside yala nyinda kala multi mi ko ya wato soto very important bare be do ko la ke jefan aka kolea o mayna kala football la president me ya lon ko ini mo la communication pour ni mo le hadama ya fan ka kolea o mayna marlo place la nyinda kala multi me ya lon ko mol sulati la wati be soto ite nyinda kala president de me ya lon ko ya wato soto pour football la ma fo pour mo fa la football timo ka wato soto de banko la place e nyinda place soto la wato soto la so fatu nyimu kuleti men ko men bita carte o fayla sama isi hakilo to wato kanata carte o fay sama nga nimisa nga fo ningalon takila ningalo men bota je ngol filije wol tatale andi si hakilo to fana modol ba fala he be carte o fayla kare karla kula kan o carte tarla jede iba fayla men wol be marla place wala so ning karla kuat ne carte o fay kare sai nim problème soto kana mobile because ye men ko ne ya fay wotaral hajo me babe international appel men abe ministère la place d'autre men football place d'autre kelen so problème be tarantel football men yan ko tel tam club bolti ne regional bolti wala bina problème soto la because na football left ay fata development mba tara abeti nyata sai jano be ben soto sama carte fay ko mayata bak beñi message dila molla isi hakilo toto
saying so by this time we would have had a new president. Nayatra Kemo becomes the president of GFF Soma. How with this 10th election and in Bebe Kere, how are you going to unify the entire footballing community? Itare koma ngata saje football danta dame alido ko min kal danta dame ay ke continuation
follow men ben noka be yamar la baki men ben noka nimbita election horo kono koku mbakela nsaka kulo ni hormo ni bunyala ko mi ngafa nyamen da long ñu manken ni jawti ngaaje ko ngata football ma jole play team sa ballon ni men kede champion di ngabulo di ñola nga ñoo konton hada ma yani hormo ni bunya kon abanta o samu nga kafuñu nga doko ke njikita ko team ko lebe winna ba ngal membe mbulo kono sañ so sama dol fon le mo le amere dol be carte fay la ñi le sama wol bebi na farendele nol ka chatal
e bebi da ko
ngalo de membe bekeri so momo mistake de tar ye fon sambo team doldo malaf nga hada ñirke because mena mol de hada ñiro malaf wala ci celebration o kenole bare mbo style be trelem ba kala ñami ay ke kuti men ka be kanyanna akana ke lan na tamoti kamo neni kamo haras kuena me ko sama pour nga namuru na ñokan ko tek abe kolela malaf o sifala andu mena followers be danila sing hakilo toto baki na opponents nsafon kafunyol me yanko ni be ñoo sabala place wala nsi horma ngi buña men be carte o fele fanen so horma ngi buña bara mbey ku kili ñitandi lele ko ni men kada ñoo saba ibe jikri carte do la sama
o batale bo
ngol so fa ka pare e ka men count ko e talla woldi wallahi nsin kali alquran don talla woldi so e kanay fam batandi
kemo ba yo jikri mbake
no amanke yalon fatu
ale do ko ga
politikolon few fen sikenole bantel jikita ko inshallah sam be kat
Aleo do ko kel.
ngodo ko kel
Aleo do ko kel.
nga do ko kel
Wato banta.
jikita be willa o kamala ni wato banta
Ha be min saro dira badingol la because tonya I think this election, one thing I like about this election Wolom is very peaceful. Last election was very tense. Last GFF election was very tense. I think len tol fongo be dun to crossfire kono because obviously ni mo in kare mo tiriti drong moya mira ko inteni mo la badia comme yemin fote ibe nyin campaign ko na nyawnya inin kabala badia ni ngay minke mo nakare. So last election wala man satonunje. Last election hanin tol mi for example ko ntemu kabamu na brodal kabrin bal na kabrin 18 years automatically ya miracle because me kabale, so it was tense. So new election okono wala nante at the beginning I refused to even get involved because to be honest I have like very good relationship with people.
Final message.
Somebody like you, somebody like so wala tinna this election. One thing I like about this year's election Wolom is not among anything jemialon ko akamta ko kele molongo because last election mole amiral fonko from government say election of fongo cancel no because it was tense. But this time I think I want to congratulate all of you candidates. Aliya fongo comport nyami and this is football. Ka koleale barim baby na together. So muni la final message to the Gambians.
No, yeah,
why do you think people should believe ko Kemo should be the next president of the Gambia Football Federation?
No, okay, yeah, mba start follow ila banta dia mo minate munatina campaign ni peaceful thing.
Yeah.
Ngambe mfo na dia mo ko neje mo kende ko ndanga nyile fonu ngani lahido ta ko ni ayatre kabala be lola kotake ndeke mo sisi hani Gambe be ko ngalonte lola. Munatina hormone ni bunya ngamen diala kilim fulanjaw nene man si fana ngamira ko menimbe campaign ko ndel nen kabala bita against each other. Ngamen mira no ko ate outgoing president abe neutral position netal especially birala dimbal kono mo fula fintita musa fintita ke mo fintita mabula nyoy ngame mirano ata bita sila so kono dimbal be nyola nimme gagneta alhamdulillah rabbil alamin no continue hanin over ke kayra kono den kayro sabati bar hano bawo manke fana ndalla fanala ndene men be kukili wol be ya horma bani bunyala di kabala cho hane kunun mit akayitande ko kabama faliti hani bin tana be mitino la nin kaba ya kola kay Ousmane ni mboro be abe wo mitino sopla ate don kola akwata fem fola kabama bakar bojan biringa campagne start fo bi amon sona diamra ay même fo ko anede fem fo no la kabama anu defan ngandi semte wala na hanina interview ni pousse pour ngata again sun ko ne ta fola boni ndako mo betata ndefi a betadale o ko karado le fo fem findeje jodi alala alay bara bare mbembe nyitandi la is ila question finally.
Yeah, final message. Why should Gambians believe you are the right person to lead our football for the next couple of years?
Yeah, comme ngamen fo na diamo kono don ni aju be ngabata men ke football to ngamen be sacrifice ka actionnaire bulan na Angleterre karam ka dun kan na ko do dundi football ko to fo bi nyanda kala mente manke no de fem make fo football ma fo mam feso football kono bare ngamen so nga fana be mur de football kono o kamala jiko mo le dinna andu nga banko long nga experience soto akaran la certificate o bembul njikita ko ndelebe football marano la dan nimen be nyo sabaka so sama o kamala be mol dane carte o dinna fo ala simma ko ha mom minti Gambia football yirwa ko o sikeno barni carte o di mol me yalan ko ama wato soto o ani mol ma ajiko na tani multima ka du ko keno be kolala o kamala mba fale ko fatu la moral be ke mol moti mun nyanda carte o di la men ke mola timolo mo molti nyanda carte o dinam ndada mantene ni carte o fande men be nokam be dande carte o diwol bela ni na mol be gagné kad ni carte o dindala yaade o kam dola mole yen jahaso do ko te kenola so kamala ni men jikitantala e jikitan nolan kolla al carte o dinna timo bela ndo ko nyol be tantula be jela kadu naaje ba fala di coach na campaign organizing committee be tantula ngay jay na media committee e doko ke ka social media jele be active nya yaboto ndamol be diaspora e kato ke baki na yin koto na classmates amete class 92 na manifesto la lonjene ko dol ka fo nyuma
ndeysaan
men tatolo musa about 50,000 plus e ko pour ngana t-shirt printer baade woni signol be mo dabe di coach be mo be tentulam be mo jele bar kon don drop babita dame na regional presidents birin kunum ilota dame bolto bi and regional delegates be membe kana clubs mbebe tentula mbeje la allied association be bentel ko fulo mem tuta koma yalan ko ele 6
Allied Association.
Yalan ko ele 6.
Allied Association nga je long 5 long for 7.
5 long.
Ha.
Yalan nga fa mbe 6 voters so je. Man ko lobe fo sama sikeno nga fo nyimbe soto. Mbe last minute campaign ko mbe promise lo. So mbol tentula bake mbe jela. Mba internet be ko wala.
Election ngo fo na England.
Allied associations ne jube ibe promo men kono. So called allied associations because inyanta men so le mantra soto ka. Al carte do kemo la ngala fonko nyi yirwandi mbal tentula mbal jela bak. Albe nyame bi football ko nga continue nyama be mo be konto nga mo be tento nga mo jël spécial mo be di team coach abaraka bagi fatu.
Thank you very much, Coach Kemo, another team Molve, especially what's the name? Ela media guy I told him.
Ibrahim Daw.
Ibrahim.
Yeah.
Ibrahim call us in Keme. You guys, I'll campaign nyame, honey presidential campaign for emergency. Ibrahim called me, I think, for the past couple of months, and I intended on the interest to talk to the Gambian, to tell them Munamala agenda. And I think this is what we want to see from everybody who wants to seek for public office. Yefang open up to criticisms, Yefang open up to questions. And I want to thank your team members for that. We wish you all the best. Hopefully tomorrow, by this time, we will know who the president is. Inshallah. And we will congratulate whoever becomes the president. We wish you all the best. Until we come your way next week again, by this time, we would have known who the Gambia Football Federation new president will be. And Beduala, I came to me along Gambia football was sambala nyato because Gambia football needs a development stadium operator. Manzakunda do ko kele stadium operator. Sa nyanta mi lala wala kan by next international match nga president kuto soto be ngata stadium moto ngata celebrate. So we wish you all the best and we wish GFF all the best in tomorrow's election. Hopefully a peaceful time, everything goes well. Thank you very much and good night to you all.
Thank you very much, Father. Thank you.
Looking for the perfect home away from home in the Gambia? Welcome to BC's Residence, your ideal short-stay apartment in the heart of Bundung. Whether you're visiting for business, pleasure, or an extended stay, BC's Residence offers you the comfort, convenience, and privacy you deserve. Enjoy spacious, well-appointed accommodations in a peaceful neighborhood just behind Nusrat High School. Our residence combines modern amenities with authentic Gambian hospitality, ensuring your stay is both comfortable and memorable. At BC's Residence, you are not just booking a room, you're finding your perfect base to explore all that the Gambia has to offer. Ready to book your stay? Contact us today. +220-941414 BC's Residence at gmail.com. BC's Residence, Bundung, behind Nusrat High School. Your comfort is our priority.
Jah Oil ñoom ñoo jiitu si wàllum jaay essence si biir réew mi te ñu def ko warugal pour kontaan loo suñu client yi borom moto yi ak driver yi seen jaaxare jeex na léegi pour am essence bu baax ak njëg bu yomba lii sax moo tax ñu amal leen banxaas fépp si biir réew mi pour essence bu baax bu set benn place rek la muy Jah Oil soo soxlae essence bu set essence bu baax gasoil wala kérosine naa la wax ne Jah Oil rek mooy jëmukaay ga doxantul rek si bépp banxaasi Jah Oil nga am si bànneex ak Jah Oil seen bànneex mooy suñ taxawaay moo tax ñu amoon leen banxaas bépp si biir réew mi nim gën a yombee pour yow ak suñ liggéeykat yu xarañ yi naa la won ne mbégte rek nga see jël pour am essence bu baax pour say machine fenn place rek la mooy sa Jah Oil ak Jah Oil bànneex kese la moo tax sax suñ station si nekk ca Costa Road ak Banjul wàññil nañ leen njëgi essence bi foofu noonu pour am si lu leer mun ngaa call si 770 8080 322 9070 714 7273 wala 787 1321 Jah Oil, the pride of the nation.
Is both legendary and the envy of the market. Retail banking. One bank, different amazing packages. Whether you are interested in savings account, current account, time or fixed deposit account, lending or overdraft, our team of dedicated staff is always ready and happy to help you out with your transactions as you wish. Corporate banking. Trust Bank offers the most convenient services for deposit accounts, credit facilities, trade finance, bond and guarantee, and foreign currency account. With e-banking, you can make electronic bill payments and online banking and enjoy 24-hour access to your money without ATM. With the largest network of branches and agents, we give you the convenience to receive funds as you please. We are Trust Bank because we take pride in satisfying every customer's financial needs.
Introducing the future of hassle-free and seamless financial transaction. The Una Wallet app, empowering you to effortlessly manage your money anytime, anywhere. With the Una Wallet app, you can now enjoy branchless banking, wallet-to-wallet transfer, wallet-to-cash, and bank cross-border payments, deposit at a bank, and withdraw from any Una branch. Get ready to experience the ultimate banking convenience with the Una Wallet app. With just few taps on your phone, you can effortlessly add funds, withdraw, and send money to your loved ones. The Una Wallet app also provides a detailed history of your transaction, making it easier to track your expenses. So, what are you waiting for? Download the Una Wallet app today on Play Store or App Store and say goodbye to hassle of traditional banking. Uno Forex Bureau Limited, delivering much more than money